Have you ever felt like you were not good enough just because you did not look like everyone else? Let's understand this with the help of our new story named as Pico the Peacock. In a lost green forest full of music and color, there lived a young peacock named Pico. His feathers were not as long or shiny as the older peacocks, but he loved dancing in the rain and making his own music with his feet. Pico often walked proudly through the forest, greeting other animals and helping where he could. But sometimes he overheard whispers. His tail isn't as grand as the others, said Tuka the toucan, fluttering above. He's not that special, muttered a rabbit behind a bush. Pico's smile began to fade. The next day, Pico did not dance in the rain. He sat quietly by a puddle, staring at his reflection. His feathers drooped not from water, but from sadness. That evening, Milo, the mole, walked up to Pico with a tiny book in his paws. I wrote something for you, Milo said shyly. It's a poem. Feathers may fade and colors may dim, but kindness and joy shine bright within. Pico looked up. Do you really think so? He asked. Just then, Zara the zebra joined them.
Pico, your respect for yourself must come from your heart, not your feathers. If you believe in your worth, others will see it too.
The next day, Pico danced again. Not to show off, but because it made him happy. Soon, the forest animals gathered to watch. Not because of how Pico looked, but because his joy and confidence were beautiful. Even Tuka cheered. Now, that's a proud peacock. From then on, Pico never waited for others to praise him. He danced when he felt like it, helped when he could, and smiled because he was proud of who he was. Pico learned that self respect comes from within, and that's what makes you truly shine. So, kids, the moral of the story is true self respect comes from within. You don't need shiny feathers, loud applause, or others' approval to feel special. When you believe in yourself, treat others with kindness, and follow what brings you joy, that's when you truly shine. Confidence is not about being the best. It's about valuing who you are and dancing to your own happy tune, just like Pico did.